Welcome to Best Choice. The best beach gear is probably one of the most essential categories of products for anyone looking to maximize their enjoyment and comfort during a day at the shore, offering everything from sun protection and seating solutions to ways to keep your belongings safe and dry, ensuring that your seaside experience is as relaxing and hassle-free as possible, making it a crucial investment for regular beachgoers and vacationers alike. Number 5. Intex Explorer K2 Inflatable Kayak Set. This kayak is lightweight and compact, making it easy to assemble and transport. With its special valve, it inflates and deflates in just minutes, so you can take the fun wherever you go. It's perfect for experiencing lakes and mild rivers with a friend. Its sporty design makes paddling easy, and the bright color ensures high visibility on the water. Built for performance with rugged construction, it offers excellent stability and comfort. The inflatable floor and side chambers provide a secure and enjoyable ride. This kayak is designed for 2 people, with a maximum weight capacity of 400 pounds. It offers ample space for a comfortable journey. The set includes everything you need: 2 paddles, 2 inflatable seats with backrests, grab handles, quick fill valves, a high output pump, and a repair patch. What we like? This inflatable kayak offers incredible ease of transport, setting up and packing down in minutes. Its stable design ensures a smooth ride on lakes and mild rivers. If you're looking for a fun, shared water adventure that's easy to take anywhere, this is the perfect choice for you and a friend. What people say. This beach umbrella is very sturdy and provides excellent shade. The beach chairs are lightweight and easy to carry, perfect for a day at the beach. The cooler keeps drinks cold for hours, even on a hot day. Number 4. TOURIT Lightweight Insulated Cooler Backpack. Introducing the TOURIT Cooler Backpack, your perfect companion for any adventure. Keep your food and drinks perfectly chilled or warm for up to 16 hours. With a large capacity of 28 liters, this backpack can hold up to 30 cans. It offers ample space for all your essentials, making it ideal for any outing. Featuring multiple pockets, including a main compartment, side mesh pockets, and front zipper pockets, everything stays organized and within reach. Plus, a convenient bottle opener is included. Crafted from waterproof and durable fabric, this lightweight backpack is designed for comfort and longevity. It's perfect for work, picnics, beach trips, and more. Its stylish design makes it suitable as a lunch backpack or a daily pack. This versatile cooler is perfect for lunches, picnics, work, or travel. This insulated backpack is a perfect gift for both men and women. Enjoy your adventures with perfectly preserved food and drinks, no matter the destination. What we like? Keep your food and drinks perfectly chilled or warm for up to 16 hours with its superior insulation. With a generous 28-liter capacity and numerous pockets, it organizes all your essentials. If you're planning a long day trip, a picnic, or a hike and need to keep your provisions at the ideal temperature, this is the backpack cooler for you. What people say. This is the first backpack cooler I've owned that doesn't leave water everywhere. Even with ice inside, it stays dry on the outside and keeps everything contained. The backpack design makes it easy and comfortable to carry, whether we're heading to the beach, a game, a picnic, or a day trip. The straps are comfortable, even when it's fully loaded. Came home with ICE still in the cooler. The cooler never leaked at all. It has enough small storage spaces. Number 3. WEKAPO Inflatable Couch Air Lounger Chair. Forget the pump. Simply sweep it through the air to inflate. A quick trick is to close the panels between swoops to capture more air. Relax in ultimate comfort with our unique pillow-shaped headrest. It provides excellent back support, perfect for when you need to unwind. Enjoy extended relaxation thanks to our anti-deflation technology. Once inflated, it stays that way for at least 5 to 6 hours. It comes with a handy carry bag for easy transport and storage. A stake is also included to keep it secure on windy days. We're confident you'll love this product. That's why we offer a 100% risk-free satisfaction guarantee, so you can purchase with complete peace of mind. What we like? Inflate this lounger effortlessly by simply scooping air, no pump needed. It features a unique pillow-shaped headrest for ultimate relaxation and stays inflated for hours thanks to its anti-deflation technology. If you prioritize convenience, comfort, and a long-lasting comfortable spot to lounge, whether at the beach, camping, or a festival, this is your go-to. What people say. Easy to blow up and no holes. Great quality. It feels a lot like a hammock. Your feet and head are slightly elevated. It's super comfortable. I love the design. There is even a pocket on the side for a Kindle or a sketchbook. This was extremely comfortable during a beach trip. There were no issues with it blowing away in the wind, which was an initial concern. Number 2. WEKAPO Oversized Sandproof Beach Blanket. Enjoy the outdoors with plenty of room for everyone. This oversized blanket comfortably fits up to 7 people yet remains incredibly lightweight and easy to carry. Designed for convenience, it features integrated corner pockets for storage and can be easily secured with the included stakes. It stays put, even on windy days. Made from durable ripstop nylon, sand brushes off effortlessly. Water beads up and rolls away, and any moisture dries remarkably fast. Crafted with superior quality and triple stitching, this blanket is built for strength and durability, ensuring it lasts through all your adventures. Perfect for the beach, picnics, camping, or simply relaxing in your backyard. It's the versatile accessory you'll want for every outdoor occasion. What we like. This oversized blanket comfortably fits up to 7 people yet folds down compactly for easy carrying. Its sandproof and waterproof ripstop nylon material means sand brushes off easily and water beads right off, drying quickly. If you need a large, durable, and easy-to-clean surface for your group at the beach or a picnic, especially on windy days, this is the ideal solution. What people say. Really lightweight, durable, quick drying, easy to use, packs very small. This lightweight blanket is so awesome. It's bigger, lighter, compact storage. It definitely repelled water and sand. Sand still gets everywhere, 'cause sand is sand, but it shakes off and cleans up so easily. Not only is it gorgeous, oversized and comfortable, but is sandproof and waterproof as well. The sand slides right off. Number 1. RHINO USA Folding Survival Shovel W Pick. Introducing the RHINO USA Folding Survival Shovel with Pick. It's a heavy-duty, military-style entrenching tool built for any adventure. We are an American-owned, family-operated business. Join the RHINO USA family and experience our best USA-based customer support. This versatile tool features a 180-degree shovel, a 90-degree pickaxe, and a 90-degree pick hoe. Tackle various tasks with just one item. When extended, it measures 22 inches long, but it folds down to a compact 9 by 6 inches. It weighs only 2 pounds and includes a heavy-duty carry case for easy portability. Engineered from carbon steel with a black powder-coated finish, it offers enhanced strength and corrosion resistance. Enjoy a sleek and durable appearance. All our products come with a lifetime replacement guarantee. If you encounter any issues, we'll ensure you're 100% satisfied with a replacement or refund. What we like. This tool offers incredible versatility, functioning as a shovel, pickaxe, and pick hoe all in one. Constructed from robust carbon steel, it's built to last through tough conditions. If you're an outdoor enthusiast, off-roader, or camper who needs a reliable, multifunctional tool that's easy to pack and carry, this folding shovel is an essential piece of gear. What people say. This beach umbrella is very easy to set up and take down, making it convenient for a day at the beach. The large size of this beach tent provides ample shade for multiple people and beach chairs. The durable fabric and sturdy poles of this beach umbrella are designed to withstand windy conditions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.